Reminds us how to make buttons in PowerPoint that contain their slides. So we'll create some new slides. And stuff you'll do insert, shapes. I'll grab a square. And that's the one here. And I'll do, let's do page 2. So right here. We'll just go ahead and copy and paste these. Page 3. And then page 3. Delete it. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna click link. Then place in this document. And then the slide 2. This one. So you can also do this. No. Okay, I'll just keep doing this. 3. 4. Okay. Now if we do from beginning, which it appeared on my other monitor. Primary. So begin. So if we do button 2, it goes to page 2 yellow, so it goes 2, 3, 4. Of course we go 2, 3, and 4. And you can do the same on the other pages. Go ahead and copy these. And then we can do like page 1. Page 1. And page 1. Page 2. And page 3. And of course you can set it up like this. Go through these. You also want to make sure you're clicking on the button. Not the first time I've done that. Yeah. Okay, so it already has that there. I just want to make sure it's on. Okay, you'll need with slide 1 if you copy and paste it. And then you can do sorry on page 3 and sorry on page 4. So we only have to modify the link for one of them. That's pretty neat. This one, I think that's 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now we have page 2. Page 3. And page 4. That's something I'm watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and suggest today's content. Bye.